Now that we have reviewed how we have developed the energy modeling of these projects, we can start looking at the scoring that we did for this part of the report. This is a table with a breakdown of the criteria and the motivation that supported them, the points available, and how we distributed those points for each building standard that we considered, as well as the total points that we attributed to each building standard. So we looked at the reduction of the energy use intensity, also known as EUI reduction. That is the reduction of energy intensity compared to the baseline of the 2018 IECC code. And it reduces the cost to occupants, as well as it reduces the environmental impact of operating the buildings. We looked at results being verifiable. We are investing more in buildings to become more efficient, and we want to have a way to verify if the buildings are actually delivering on this higher expected performance. So we gave points to the building standards that require an energy analysis to establish a design expectation in terms of energy consumption, and that allows for measurement and verification. This is whenever you have an improvement or want to provide or propose an improvement to a team or to a project, you want to be able to verify and measure if that expectation was met. That is why we created this category for the operational energy reduction. We looked at the resource efficiency, meaning that if we have the means of an energy analysis or the energy modeling, we have a way to assess the building energy performance, and we have a way to meet that performance with the least resources possible, the resources being cost, but also being carbon, labor, material. So if you do have an energy analysis as a requirement, it forces your teams to become more efficient compared to a prescriptive approach. So that is how we provided those points. And lastly, we looked at future-proofing projects with regards to the adoption of electric vehicles. That is something that we saw in the last video. So basically, the building standards that are more efficient avoid need for additional power plants, additional electric grid infrastructure. So we want to acknowledge that, and we benchmarked this against the scenario of the 2018 energy code with no EV charging present on site. And when we look at the overall result in the graph, it looks like this. So this is going to be added to the other points we attributed to the building standards for the other criteria. And last, we're going to see about the embodied carbon reduction in the next video.